guys, today we're going to Surabaya and Malang.
And today I hope our trip is very fun and very enjoyable.
Yeah, and I hope it brings a lot of knowledge.
Yes, also.
Yeah. See you guys.
Bye.
We went to apple factory and we went picking apples.
And right now we're picking apples.
I feel very like this is a new experience and we can learn from this.
We learn about eco-planting. We trail beside the river and we plant balsa tree.
So right now we are making traditional shoes with batik. It's my first time making shoes with original material.
After that, we try cassava being steamed and being dry and doing it all over again, and it tastes really sweet and really salty in the same time.
This is etek-etek for people in 70s to play because they don't have any phone or electronic device, and we play this like this and it will make a etek-etek sound. And then this is made off of a wood stick and a dry cord.
I'm more creative than before.
Today we visited the village Maspati and we learned a lot from here.
We saw the amazing houses from generations, and we also experienced a lot of things. We saw the language, we tried to read it, and we also learned about the foods here.
Hi, my name is Rachel, and before we went to a local market. After we went to the local market, we went cooking. We cooked seng-seng ayam. It tastes so good and I like the taste of it. After we cooked, we went to a Villa Tea factory to see how it's made, and then after it, we have some quizzes from the person that instruct us. We went to Monument Kapal Selam. The interior there is so cool and I like it so much.